Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see how to start a program as a different user. First, we'll open the command prompt and use the wami command. The user is admin1. This is the logged in user of the Windows session, so it's normal for the program to run with the rights of this user. Now, we're going to run the command prompt in a different way. I'll right-click on command prompt while simultaneously pressing the Shift key. The Run as Different User command will appear. We'll click on it. This time, Windows Security will ask us for credentials. I'll enter the credentials for the user1. Just like the first time, I'll type the wami command. Now, the user is user1. The program is using the rights of the user1 even though the logged in user is admin1. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more content.